Hi there, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Hope life is treating you well. Thank you for watching this clip on periodicity of trig functions. I remember the first time when I was learning, it confused the heck out of me because when the variable changes and they put out this little weird coefficient in front of variable, everything looked so complicated until I recognized this. If you have a cosine of m, let's take m as a function. This one is pretty easy to draw. When m is equal to 2 pi, the whole function repeats itself all over again. Okay, so the every 2 pi cosine x repeat itself. So when you have a different one, look like cosine of x over 4, what they're really asking is, instead of m, variable m, if I have x over 4 in the place of m, at what position of x does the function repeat itself? So think of a scale change. Maybe that's too fancy of a word. Think of a Gulliver's Travel. Okay, when he went to the big human kingdom and the little human kingdom, the sizes changes. Well, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take x over 4. You want to know, call this m. When that equal to 2 pi, then x is equal to 8 pi over here. So the new periodicity for this one is just x equal to 2 pi for cosine of x over 4. So instead of just to 2 pi, the function repeats. This function gets stretched out. Okay, it repeats until it's 8 pi. That's all it's saying. All right, let's go on to the next one. Actually, before I go on to the next one, math break. I have a funny picture here to show you. A student sent it over. Here's an egg looking at the chicken, and read the letter. It says, to mother. It's pretty sad. If you have a funny picture I want to share for a math break, please email it to me. All right, back to math. Cosine of pi x. We're going to do the same thing. Treat this one as m and grab the guts out, and then you have pi x equal to 2 pi, then x equal to 2. Now, a lot of students, I don't know if you think about it, it's pretty weird. When you're drawing a cosine curve, it gets to 2 pi. But first time I realized 2 pi is really 2 times 3.1415, so on and so forth. It's roughly 6. Okay. This is cosine of x. Let's repeat. Now, if it's cosine of pi of x, instead of 2 times pi, I stop at 2. So instead of 6, it's roughly a third of it. And here's my cosine curve. This is cosine of pi x. And this is 2. Okay, that's all really saying. 2 pi is reading looks prettier, but it's really numerically, you can put it roughly 6 there. All right, go on to the next one. Tangent of pi x over 5. Now, tangent is one of those weird functions that only repeats every pi, so it happens a little more often. Like some of the annual flowers I have here in my front yard, it goes out quickly than most of the perennials. All right, so here I'm going to take this m, I'm going to equal to pi this time, because the periodicity for tangent, cotangent, is pi. And then we'll solve for x. X is equal to 5. All right, so don't let those scary things scare you. They're really nothing fancy, nothing special. Well, that's how we handle this type of problem. Once again, from Tucson, Arizona, this is Dr. Pan, making learning math fun, at least trying to. If the video has been helpful, I would appreciate a comment or a thumb up. Until next time, have a confident day.